Do you feel like your life is going down the wrong path? Are you indulging in bad habits such as porn and video games, which has inevitably led you into a life you don't want to live? Or maybe you just haven't cared about life, your health, or about anything really. Until now. If you're watching this, then it's time to unfuck your life today. I'll be giving you a sort of daily routine. If you follow this sort of like daily routine every single day, you will unfuck your life in no time. And like if you have like a full-time job or whatever, yeah, just fit this video around that as well. So make sure you watch till the end. Like I know you have the attention span of a goldfish and everything, but you're just gonna have to watch till the end anyway if you want to improve your life, if you're serious about self-improvement. So you want to wake up like as early as possible. So say you wake up around 6 a.m, which is a fairly normal time to wake up and start your day. So say you wake up at 6, go straight to the shower. Don't go on your phone, don't scroll on TikTok, nothing. Have a shower, brush your teeth. You know, make sure you're feeling all fresh. Make sure you don't look or stink of shit. I know for a fact, you watching this, you probably wake up at about 1 p.m, sit on your phone in bed for about 2 hours and just waste your day fapping and scrolling. Today is the day that this ends. So just have a shower first thing in the morning every single day and you will feel so much better about life. Afterwards, just work on something productive, whether that's a business, whether you're growing a social media account, or you're just reading or learning. Work on that till around 11 a.m, 12 p.m, around that time, where you're going to have breakfast, some like eggs on toast or something like that. Something quite simple, something quite good for you. Make sure you're not eating cereal or some shit. You know, don't eat cereal or things that are fucking full of sugar. You don't want to be starting your day with sugar. It is a new thing. I bet you're not doing this right now if your life is this fucked. I mean, you might be if you're watching this, but chances are if you're very new to self-improvement and you're looking for ways to unfuck your life, you're probably not doing this. You're going to begin your fitness journey literally today. What's stopping you? It's time to take action now. A lot of you don't realise how life-changing a fitness journey can be. Personally, it started my self-improvement journey, and without it, you wouldn't be watching this video today. If you can't get to a gym today, just bang out push-ups in your bedroom or something. Everyone starts somewhere. You know, your fitness journey is the cornerstone to your self-improvement journey, and it's also very good for you. So, yeah, you need to get started very soon. It's extremely important. Yeah, you just can't be out of shape your whole life. It's that simple. To your workouts, time to clean all the shit in your bedroom. I know if your life's that fucked, you've probably got a load of shit lying about in your room. Get rid of all like the pointless shit that's just cluttering your mind, because to be honest, clean room is a clean mind. I know for a fact, you watching this, you have a fucking disgusting bedroom, bro. Your room is your kingdom, and because of your laziness, it's a shithole. Just imagine bringing a woman back to your bedroom. If your room isn't clean enough to bring a woman back to, you need to clean it. After that's done, time to get back to working on something productive. You know, you could stop for lunch afterwards or in between, whatever suits you. Make sure your best and hardest work is done in the morning. And of course, always make sure you're eating clean. That bit's very important. So save what you would class as your least important work for this time period. But obviously, don't just do some pointless shit. You know, do something that's important, but not quite as important as your most important work, which you do in the morning. If you get what I mean. Once everything you need to do is done again, now it's time to start learning. Take time to read books and watch educational videos like this one. You know, it's never too late to learn new things in life. Some people leave school and never pick up a book or learn anything ever again. How fucked is that? I mean, not like we learn anything that valuable in school anyway, which makes it worse if anything. Like, learning is just as important as taking action. Don't listen to these people telling you to just take action without knowing what you're doing. You need to learn as well. Imagine doing something like a bench press without learning how to do it safely. So after you've done a bit of learning, you know, eat something for tea, obviously maybe a steak or something like that. You know, treat yourself as you've had a very productive day for the first time in a very long time. But of course, keep it clean. And afterwards, it's time to just take some time to strategize and plan for the next day. Outline any goals or anything in particular you want to achieve. You know, take quite a lot of time to come up with an effective strategy to improve your life and reach your goals. Then after you've spent quite a bit of time on your plan for tomorrow, you know, take a bit more time to learn, and it should be nearing bedtime. So meditate for as long as you can. Get into bed about 2 hours before you actually go to sleep. Maybe take a book with you to read, or just read a book on your phone if you don't have a physical book. And of course, aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. So another tip, just drink more water. Replace them shitty cans of Coke, which is basically just a can of sugar. Just replace it with water. Normal day of drinking should only really be something like coffee and water. Before this video ends, if you made it this far, I've created an online community called Level Up Nation. It's a community for people on self-improvement who watch my videos completely free to join, with a link in the description, and it's a space where we share our progress in self-improvement. Join Level Up Nation and we will level up together. We will be closing once we get to a certain amount of members, so make sure you get there quick and don't miss out. It's completely free, and who knows, Level Up Nation could be the next big thing. So click the link in the description or download the Mighty Networks app to gain access, be part of something that could be potentially quite big. No matter where you are in self-improvement, this community is for everyone. But that is the end of this video. If you learned something and you did enjoy it, leave a like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed and you made it to the end of this video, what are you doing? Go and subscribe now, come on. You don't want to miss any videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you lot in the next one.